Alright, yo, what's up guys? My name's Kit, and today I'm gonna be opening this package from Megasaver. I bought this from Amazon. I think it's a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. And fuck! Oh, I just dropped something. Alright, I'm just gonna open it on camera. To have proof if I get scammed or some shit. So let's go ahead and just open it up. Alright. Cool box. See anything else? Nope, nada. Okay. And here's the phone. Okay, that is glued on tight, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, cool. Ta-da! Oh, nice. Fantastic. So Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Let's go ahead and open this baby. Yes. Okay, cool. It has battery. That's awesome. Wow, that's pretty nice. I bought this for $320. This is a 128 gig model with an Exynos processor, so I'm pretty happy about my purchase. I think this is still a fantastic phone for the price for today. And I think when it came out, it was like $600, $800. So this is awesome. Alright, and we get a battery charger, charger and a cable. That's awesome. Cool, everything is included. Thank you very much, Megasaver, for this transaction. Alright, Megasaver. Cool. Package received.